Hey everybody, welcome back to One Seed, One World. So winter has finally come to the homestead. Got several inches of snow last night, not sure how much. Probably depends on the area that you're in. But we finally got the snow and it's only 26, 27 degrees today, so it's pretty cold. However, even in this kind of weather, you could still possibly do winter gardening. If you do a covered bed. And I'll post a link below for how to build one of these. I did one, I think last year or the year before, I forget when I did the original video. But they are very helpful if you want to grow things like mainly brassicas that are cold hardy. Things like kale, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, that kind of thing. Now with cabbage and Brussels sprouts, you want to get them in early enough so they can really get established. Really with any of them, you want to get them in early enough, like August, or so that they can be well established by the fall, so then they will survive over the winter when you have them covered. And this is just 6mm plastic that's over this. So I'm gonna get all the snow cleaned off and we'll take a look. Okay, so we got most of the snow off here. Let's take a look and see how things have fared. Look at those leafy greens. Now it's not perfect, there's leaves that have died off, but there's still some good strong plants in here. And you can still be harvesting things like kale into January. And I still have new growth coming in. So I'm gonna pick some of this stuff for the chickens, because they would like probably a green leafy treat in the middle of winter. So my chickens hate the snow, and maybe many of you have experienced this as well. They've pretty much just stayed in the coop all day. They don't even really come out barely at all, except for to get drink and food and treats from time to time, even in this covered area which has no snow at all. Because it's kind of cold and blustery out today, I think they've just said, screw it, we're staying inside. So I don't even know if they'll come out for this. Tick, tick. Anybody? Alice, what's doing? Yeah, look what I got. Tear these up into little bits for you. And of course you take the big one. Yummy kale for chickens. Got one egg today. So, with a little preparation of putting together some PVC pipe over a raised bed with some 6mm plastic and some early preparation in the fall or late summer, you too can get your gardening fix even in the dead middle of winter. So try it out. Check out the other video for how to build one of those. The bed that I built it on is 4 foot wide by 8 feet long, and that's a good size bed to do some of these smaller crops and make it easier to raise the top of the lid that you build. So check that out. But I hope you guys are staying warm in your neck of the woods, and we'll see you again soon. Have a great day. Namaste.